All right, welcome back, guys. We are back doing the Python crash course. We are on chapter 4, and we will be moving on to example 5. This will be the last example I go over today. And so for this one, we're going to be doing, or it's called summing a million. And it wants us to make a list of numbers from 1 to a million. Already done that in example 4. And then use the min and max to make sure your list actually starts at 1 and ends at 1 million, and then also use sum function to see how quickly Python can add a million numbers. So we're going to be using 3 functions to build off of this. So we're going to make a new list, or not a new list, a new file, save as, you know the drill. All right, so what I'm just going to do to speed this up a little bit is I'm going to copy and paste from our last one and just get rid of this. And so now what it wants us to do is use the min function, and I believe I can leave it at that. There shouldn't be anything else. Oh, what I need in this is the name of the list. So if I plug in the name of the list here, and I save this, and I go up and run this code, does nothing. Do I need a print function? Right? This is the output. Let's put this in a print statement, see if that changes anything. All right, let's run that code again. All right, so it gave us an output this time. So I guess it does have to go into a print function. So we're gonna run another one, print. We're gonna do max, and then we're gonna put the name of the list. I'm gonna save it, just double check. Yep, the max is 1 million. And then lastly, we are going to print the sum of the list. And so what sum is going to do, this one takes the smallest number, in this case 1. This takes the highest number, in this case 1 million. And this is going to add every single value from 1 to 1 million. So it's going to be adding this plus this, and the total of that plus this, and the total of that plus this. And it's going to keep repeating itself until it finishes adding up every single value. So it's going to add 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 3, which is 6, plus 4, which is 10, so on and so forth. So let's see what that looks like. It did it. It did it extremely fast. So I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 500,000. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is 1,500,000, 10 million, 100 million, 1 trillion, 10 trillion, 500 billion. I don't know where I got trillion from. 500 billion, 500,000, I believe is that number. All right. Well, another short example that we went over. That was example 5. Tomorrow, I will start going over 6 through 9, I believe. So those will also be probably a little bit shorter. So see you guys in the next one. If you found this helpful, like it, share it, and if you really want, subscribe.